This compact KRIB Bling Mini Fridge offers a practical separate freezer compartment, making it useful for both everyday snacks and frozen items in tight spaces like dorms or offices. Its interior capacity is thoughtfully laid out for a refrigerator of this size, with room for drinks, leftovers, and small frozen goods without feeling overly cramped. The 7-step mechanical thermostat gives you fine control over cooling, so you can dial in colder settings for frozen treats or gentler temperatures for produce and beverages. Removable glass shelves and door storage make it easy to reconfigure the interior, whether you are storing tall bottles, meal prep containers, or smaller items that need clear organization. The freestanding design and modest footprint help it fit neatly under counters or beside a desk, while the silver finish looks clean and modern in most rooms. Automatic defrost and straightforward controls keep maintenance simple, so you spend more time using the fridge and less time worrying about upkeep.